I used ChatGPT and a free AI tool to build a $1,000 a month income stream. You won't believe this, and I did it without being a tech genius, coder, or marketer. If you've ever wanted to make real money online but didn't know where to start, this video might just change that for you. Hey friends, welcome back to Digital Wealth with AI, where I show you how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to build real income streams, automate your business, and create financial freedom from anywhere. Whether you want to sell services, digital products, or even automate your online business, so grab a notebook because this one's going to be packed. And stick around till the end. I'll share the exact ChatGPT prompts I used to start making my first $500 online. Let's break this down into 6 clear stages from idea to income. I remember the day it clicked for me. I was scrolling through YouTube, just like you might be doing right now, watching people talk about ChatGPT. And I thought, wait, how are people making thousands just by talking to a chatbot? So I tested it. I asked ChatGPT, how can I make money using you? And what came back blew my mind. Copywriting, ebook creation, YouTube scripting, content ideas, freelancing services, all things people are paying for every single day. Wow, this is interesting. Knowledge is truly a light, because that's when I realized that ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's truly a money printer. It's like having a full-time assistant who never sleeps. And if you learn how to direct it properly, it can literally build an income system for you. But realizing it's possible isn't enough, you've got to take action. Now, this part is crucial. You don't need a degree. You don't need to be an expert. You just need a valuable digital skill that people already pay for. Here are 3 that work insanely well with ChatGPT. 1. Freelance copywriting. ChatGPT can help you write ads, emails, and website copy that businesses are begging for. 2. Content creation. You can use ChatGPT to script YouTube videos, blogs, or social media posts. 3. Digital product creation like ebooks, mini courses, templates, and guides, all powered by ChatGPT. I personally started with content writing and digital products, where I offered blog articles and guides on Fiverr and Gumroad. Within 2 weeks, I made my first sale, $35. Trust me, I was so grateful, and to be sincere, that one sale lit a fire that I started doubling my effort. The reason why I double my effort is because I realized that if that one person could buy, that means thousands of persons are waiting to buy that same products from me. See, I must tell you the truth. The interesting part is, if you want to hit your $1,000 month, you should know that you can't rely on luck. Hope you are getting the point. So building a system will do you all the best, and once you already have that thought at the back of your mind, it will help you a lot to push more to hit your target. So as for me, I built mine in 3 layers, which I will explain here now. 1. Lead generation. I used ChatGPT to write short, engaging posts for Facebook and LinkedIn that attracted clients. Simple posts like this help small business owners create high-converting sales pages using AI. Message me if you'd like me to create one for you. That post alone got me 4 clients in a week. The second layer was delivery aspects, that is, when a client ordered, I go to talk to ChatGPT with prompts like, ChatGPT please write a persuasive landing page for a fitness coach targeting busy moms. Then I edited the output to fit the client's voice. Then the third layers was scaling. Once I had repeat clients, I automated my workflow with Notion and Google Sheets, and that's when I hit my first $1,000 month. But the truth is, systems are great, only if you keep showing up. Then stage 4 was overcoming self-doubt. There were nights I almost quit. When you're trying something new, especially online, your mind will try to convince you it won't work. But here's what I learned. The only difference between people making money online and those still struggling is consistency. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be persistent. Whenever I felt stuck, I asked ChatGPT questions. YouTube content, teaching what I learned, just like this, was my best friend. I will ask ChatGPT, what's the next step I can take to move forward with my business idea? And it always gave me clarity, even small, practical next step. Once the first stream was stable, I asked myself, how can I make ChatGPT work for me in multiple ways? That's when I added affiliate marketing, promoting AI tools I already used, digital products, selling guides and templates I created using ChatGPT. One digital guide I wrote in a single weekend using ChatGPT made over $400 in a week. The key? I didn't create random stuff. I focused on what people were already searching for, things like how to make money online, automate tasks, and grow faster with AI. So, instead of chasing new tools every week, build one stream, then automate it with AI. Here's my actual workflow. Feel free to copy me. Step 1. Pick a money idea. Ask ChatGPT. List 10 online business ideas I can start today using ChatGPT. Step 2. Choose one niche. What do I said? Choose one niche first, for instance. You can choose a niche on helping small business owners with social media content. Step 3. Create your offer. Ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT helped me to write a compelling offer for social media content creation using AI that targets small business owners. Step 4. Build samples. Ask ChatGPT again to help you to write 3 examples. Post them online or share with potential clients. Step 5. Market daily. Create 1-2 short-form posts daily. ChatGPT can help write them. Show your progress. Share results. Be real. Being real actually helped me too. Step 6. Automate and scale. Once clients come in, use automation tools like Notion, Google Sheets, or Zapier to manage workflow. Repeat, and within a few weeks, you'll start seeing real results. And if you think, I'm too late, well, you're not, you're early. Most people still have no idea how to use AI for income. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, it really helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below if you're going to start your own ChatGPT income stream. I read every single comment under there, and if you want my free prompt guide and AI income starter checklist, check the link in the description or pinned comment. And, of course, subscribe to Digital Wealth with AI for more tutorials, income systems, and AI strategies every single week. Remember this. You don't need to be rich to start, you just need to start to be rich. ChatGPT is a tool, but you are the driver. And if you take what you've learned today and act on it, your $1,000 month might just be the beginning of something much bigger. Until next time, stay consistent, stay curious, and keep building your digital wealth with AI.